Today we're going to jump into my Facebook page and show you guys exactly how I grow my Facebook page likes and engagement. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Hey guys, how's it going? Austin Reed here, and I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Today we're going to use one of the methods I like to use to grow my Facebook page, and this is where I actually add groups on my Facebook page. I post in these groups and I get massive amounts of likes and comments, and then I invite those people to like my page while I'm posting things on my page so that they can see that things are going on the page and convert those people into eventual fans. So let's go ahead and jump right in. So for the first part of this, we're going to go ahead and jump on the desktop and go ahead and add some groups and post in those groups. I'm also going to show you some of my scheduled posts so that you guys can see what's going on there. And when that is done, we're going to jump on the phone. Now the reason why we're jumping on the phone is because for some reason my Facebook account is glitched out and I can't access all the features on the desktop. So I actually have to jump on the phone and make things happen there. So I'm going to show you that as well. And by the end of today, you guys will know exactly how I grow my Facebook pages. And we're going to do another video like this here in about maybe 10 days so that you guys can see the results of me doing this for less than 30 minutes a day every day so that you guys can see what 30 minutes a day can do to grow your Facebook page. All right, guys, so these are my scheduled Facebook posts, okay? As you guys can see, I use Buffer. I like Buffer to schedule my posts because it's pretty cheap. I've used Hootsuite and I've used Instazoot. I've used a lot of different programs for scheduling on not only Facebook but Instagram and different platforms. And I find Buffer to be the best one right now, the best bang for the buck. It does give you analytics and things like that. If you pay for the business. Now, I don't worry too much about that because I can jump and look at my analytics straight on social media, so I don't have to worry too much about that. Now, I know that Hootsuite is slightly better, but just very slightly. The only reason why it's slightly better is because it's easier to manage your posts. So, for example, you can bulk upload like 20 posts. You can't really do that with Buffer. The difference in price is pretty ridiculous, so that's why I like Buffer. It works really well and it's really cheap, so it's really awesome. Yeah, I've used FP Traffic and other sites like that, and like I said, I think Buffer is the best. Okay, so yeah, these are my posts. I have about a month and a half's worth of scheduled posts. I'm gonna mix them up and add a little bit more captions to it, but they're basically here. So I went ahead and scheduled one for today and posted it already. It's this post right here, and it's already got an interaction. I posted it 10 minutes ago, so I mean, that's all right. But here's my Facebook page. And we're gonna go ahead and jump right in and start adding groups, posting posts, and inviting people to like our page. We're gonna do this for 30 minutes a day, and after, 10 days and then 30 days, I'm gonna show you guys the results of doing this for only 30 minutes a day. So right now, as you can see, I only have 370 likes, okay? And about 189 of them are my friends, and the rest are people I don't actually know. Okay, and so we're definitely going to grow this super hard. Okay, we're going to try to hit well over 1,500 by the end of the month. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do this. So first things first, we're going to go ahead and look up groups. Now, I play rock music mostly, so I'm going to try to find rock music groups, and also I have a lot of memes about playing guitar, so I'm going to find guitar groups. So I'm going to look up just guitar up here in the top search bar, and I'm going to go over here and click on groups. Stop. We interrupt this broadcast for an important announcement. It's come to my attention that over 70% of my audience right now is not subscribed to my channel. Go ahead and do me a favor and click that like and subscribe button to support me helping you guys be a better musician. All right, so now that that's up, when you hover over the join button, okay, it'll tell you that pages can also join the group if pages are able. So like this one, it says pages can now join groups. If you see, if I highlight that one, it doesn't say it, but this one does, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and join this guy. It's got like 4,000 members, so that's pretty good, as my page. And yeah, and so we're gonna add about 10, maybe 15 groups. So we've joined 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we're gonna join about like 3 or 4 more. We're not gonna join any more than 15 or 20. And the reason why is because I don't want my page to get temporarily banned. We do not want that, okay? Are you here to promote your videos? I want to be a part of the community. And we will actually become part of the community here. And the reason why is because the more we become part of a community, the better off we're going to be in these groups, okay? So now that we did that, we're gonna go ahead and check the groups that we're a member of. So we're gonna go back, boom. And we're gonna just open a couple of these groups. So we're gonna start with like the top 4 groups today, and we're gonna check them out. So there's this Musicians World group, okay? So I see like a bunch of music, bunch of people posting their own videos of music, and not a lot of comments. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do something different. I'm gonna do a post telling people to post their music because it seems like people like doing that. So I would love to see some new music. Post it up below so I can check it out. We're trying to rack up as many likes as possible, so we can't be like everybody else, okay? We copy the people that are doing good, and the other people, you know, ignore them, do something different, do something good. This post will probably get a lot of likes. We'll look at that later. All right, so next group, Freestyle Music Radio. Okay, awesome. So I'm gonna do something different in this group too. What is your favorite freestyle song right now? Trust me, this is gonna work, guys. Like, these type of posts freaking kill it. So we'll do International Music Network. So one more. So yeah, and this is another group that like a lot of people are posting and nobody's paying attention to it. So a lot of these groups where a lot of people are posting and there's like no engagement, we're gonna start filtering through them and deleting them. I'm gonna do like one test post in each group, and if the post doesn't do very well, I'm actually just gonna go through and delete the groups that are not getting engagement because they're not gonna help me out, and that's not effective for my time. There you go. And so I will probably get like lots of comments on these. I know for a fact. I know what types of posts do well just because I've been doing this for a long time. It just takes some practice, okay? Now I'm going to jump on the phone and I'm going to show you how to get these people to like your page after you have hundreds of likes on one of your posts. So let's go ahead and show you guys that. All right, guys, so now we've got the Facebook page up on the phone, okay? As you can see here, it looks exactly the same page, okay? So we're gonna go over here and we're gonna go over to notifications, and we're gonna find the ones where people liked my posts, okay? This one has 107 likes. It's in the group Greatest Rock Music of All Time. And the post was Name One Band you think nobody knows about, I would love to hear. And it got over 107 likes on it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go through and we're just gonna start inviting these bitches to like the page. Okay, and of course I'm gonna blur out the names so that you guys can't see them. So I know you guys aren't going to see the names or the comments really well, but I'm going to do that just to keep people's privacy because, like, I don't know what's going on with the privacy. I mean, I think it's okay to share the group name, but I'm not going to share the people's names, okay? So I hope that this video helped you guys out. If you guys want to see some more videos about how to be a successful musician traveling the world doing whatever you guys want, go ahead and click that like and subscribe button, and you guys have a wonderful day.